Good day everyone, I'm Blackoff and welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a whole new series in Space Engineer. Now I already preloaded a game that I'm going to start on, so I'm not going to go to new game, I'm rather go game and we'll start on the star system that I already loaded on just before I start the stream, just make everything a little bit easier, a little bit faster. Okay, so let's go ahead and load up the game. So what we're gonna do now in this also hopefully running series, this will be the episode 1. We're starting in a complete new solar system. That's the storyline. So this guy was dropped in the solar system on a strange earthy-like alien planet, and what his goals is to build a base and create a spacecraft of some sorts that will eventually let him go up into space and explore the solar system. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start on the Earth-like planet and then move our way to each and every planet that's in the solar system, and eventually when we reach the last system we're gonna build a tiny little base with a beacon on it, just to show the other players or show the other entities in the game that we were on this planet and we claimed each and every one or each and every planet in the game. And then afterwards I think we can end the series. So let's see how far we get in the series. Okay, we have started. So I've already dropped into the planet, like I said. I haven't done anything yet, so yeah, let's go ahead and scout and see where our resources are. Let's see. Okay, we're on a cliffside here. I saw there was ice like that way earlier when I landed. But firstly, oh! Almost fell to my death. Okay, so first let's go into the suit here, get our weapon, ammo and our data pad. Okay, some conflict between the two factions left a field of debris, and salvage are plucking the fruits by selling their findings to a nearby station that has their stocks overflowing. If you are looking for good deals or work, then this is the place to go. Let's set that GPS marker and hopefully we can see where that station is with all that resources, if we need some. Okay, so firstly what I like to do is scout around and see if we can find some resource nodes. Let's go and collect some oxygen bottles and hydrogen bottles. Not that we need some. Let's see now. Yeah, the oxygen we're not going to need because we're in a oxygen rich environment. So okay, I think the best way to approaching this situation is to start drilling maybe anywhere and just collect some resources to maybe build based on this edge here. Maybe build some platforms here with yeah, I think we'll do that. Let's make it like a overlook tower, overlook platform. Yeah, let's do that. So I have loaded a couple of mods into the game. As you guys can see, I have the colorful icons, hood compass mod, I think it's Orca's hood mod, Splitsy sneaky sounds, and a few other handy mods that will come really how you call it? Will come in handy later on. I've also loaded what I really like, the automatic ore pickup and the automatic what do you call it? That automatic fill up of your oxygen bottles. Can't remember that mod's name. Oh, the autofill, I think. And then there's also, like I said, a few mods that I really like to play with. Oh yeah, let's go and put down some ores. Let's make some ingots. Other thing that I also like to do at the very beginning of the game is go to factions and create a faction for myself. So let's make it set a South African engineers. Yes, that looks good. Look at it. So oh, that's good. So wow, we have a lot of faction sets, really out to kill us. That's not quite our friend. Now what we can do, I think I'll do it later on. What we can do is we can go to this factions that have us little flags and like click on them and accept peace, but we're not gonna do that for now. Let's see how the gameplay turns out. We have a couple of hostile ships in the area, as you can see. Wow, smug. So I have the smugglers mod also on. Really nice mod to have. Very good ships. But yeah, let's see how this turns out. So let's go and mine some more. Stop crouching. Don't want to crouch. So I think what we can do, since we're drilling this hole here, mining this hole here, we can like maybe drill this out and start a base from inside here that comes all the way like out, extending here, maybe like make it a huge platform for future ships to go out of, maybe. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. First, let's just try and dig this hole. We can actually do this now. Take some of this space away here. Okay, so now we have a little hole that we're gonna form our base layout later on. Like I said, for now, let's get the basics up and running. So we have our assembler, also turned on progression. So I will have to work throughout the steps to unlock each and every component. Let's go to production. Okay, first of all, let's make some steel plates. Down, that should be enough. Motors, interior plates, girders. 80 should be enough. Interior plates. Also, computers. Construction components. Most of the times when I'm out in space where there's obviously no wind and all of that, I usually put solar panels first, but yeah, it's for this we have wind, so we don't need solar panels. Let's take our so I think later on we must actually convert this into a mining ship or a mining rover that we can use and maybe put it like a drill on once we have a cockpit here, and then maybe like drive into this section here and mine out the whole thing with a hinge stuck to the drill. So I think we'll do that. But first we'll see how we can accomplish this. Okay, that's fun. Okay, so since we're not going to use the seat anytime soon on this thing, wait, before we do this, let's just see if we can grind this down, rally back up again, unlock some parts. All we can do is grind this down. Oh, I surely hope we can hold it up again. Yes, we can. Yay, nice. Grind this down. Grind it back up again. Can we grind down the lights? Let's see. To unlock first. Why? Okay, not a problem. Since we have steel plates now to build armor blocks, let's create a platform where we're going to drive onto so we can get into this mine and drill some random holes. Let's line it quickly. Yeah. Come on. Reap. And with the steel plates, we are going to place okay, well, I see we already have it on a hot bar. Firstly, this little guy. I think for now we're going to place everything. We can place everything that side. That's fine. This way. Assemble basic refinery. H2 O2 generator. Start with this guy. So we need steel plate 60, construction components 40, motors 10. Let's go do that first. I think also for now we're gonna set up a... No, wait. Where are you going? Come on. Build a tower with a wind turbine on. We can get power to our base. Doesn't help we build our assembler or refinery, but we don't have any power. So let's sort out this first maybe. Wind turbine. Okay, let's get that components. 24 girders. And construction components, 8 motors. Okay, so I think once this setup is finished and we have our wind turbine eventually and our assembler, refinery, H2 generator, and maybe also the survival kit on here, then I think the production will go a little bit faster. For now we're just grinding to have enough resources to get to that point. Girders and computers. Get those guys also. Have enough inventory girders. So I don't. Oh yeah, it's still on production line. We have all the components. Go finish as a wind turbine. No, computers! How can we miss that? Come on. I think we can make enough computers also. Okay. There you go. And we have power. Aha! Okay, so still those parts that we need. Let's do this mission. Into it. Landing gear. Show terminal. Lock. Production. Ah, we have those. Okay. Man, almost there. Okay, plates. Okay, we need motor, displays, and computers. Could put those guys in production. Motor, display, and computers. Okay. Okay, so I have eventually finished this 3 guys. Hopefully production will go much quicker now. So let's go and move everything we have from this. No, we can't. Move everything here. Actually, just this guy. Oh, wait. This guy. Ah, come on. There. Gravel here. Gravel. What else? Ice we could put into the Edgy generator. This guy we can refill. Nickel we can put it down. And that's about it. I'll have nickel in. Okay, we must take this from the H2O2 generator. Put it down here. Okay. So for now, we can actually move this. Yes, let's move this. Standing here. Let's put it down that way. Well, it went back up again. Oh, Kreml. Okay. So that means we'll have to put down the survival kit also. Let's grind that down. And gobble it up. And why don't we have enough steel plate now? But that's fine. We can just build some, make some. No problem. And we don't have enough power from that one turbine. That's fine. Production, plates, some girders, motors, construction components. Why doesn't it go? Almost enough. So once we have this set up, there's enough power, we're gonna build a battery, and once we have a battery, then we're going to take this little guy and turn it into a rover, so we can scout this area for other ores. Hopefully we'll find cobalt somewhere, because if we have cobalt we can create some metal grids, and with metal grids is a component that you can use to create this little guys. Yes, thrusters. So then we can go on and build some ships to fly over these areas and see if we can scout for more ores to build some more components, expand our base. I can get to this point that I don't have to mine by hand anymore. Let's see if we don't have enough components, and yes we do. Ah, we have more power. Also with this little guy. Okay, so we have our 3 little wind turbines, our refinery, and basic assembler, our survival kit, the H2O2 generator, and our little spacecraft pod that we are going to convert later on into a rover, so we can scout this area for some ores. Since this has a ore detector on and we don't have enough materials to, not enough, we don't have any materials actually to get to build a ore detector, we're gonna need this little guy to scout the ore for us. Okay, so we finally built this little rover. We had luckily enough materials to finish it up. So next time I think we can put a hinge front here and stick a drill on it and use it as a mining rover. Oh yes, and also put some cargo containers in here. Okay, so let's take it and drive it down. Park. I've also finished a platform for it with guard railings so we don't drive off the ledge here. There we go. Oh, that fits good. Okay, so here we have our little rover. We have our semi-completed base for starter base. We have our assembler, basic refinery, HO2 generator, and the survival kit. and hopefully enough power. Next time we're gonna put a connector on here, put a connector on this little rover, stick a hinge on, a drill, and find some cobalt. So please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. So I will see you guys in the next episode.
Fuel critical.